Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating and complex yet potentially rewarding topic: trading interest rate decisions. If you're eager to understand how these pivotal economic events can shape your trading success in the Forex, futures, and bond markets, you're in the right place. Interest rate decisions by central banks are like a thermostat for the global economy. These announcements not only influence currency strength and bond yields, but also drive significant market movements. But how do you effectively trade these decisions? It begins with understanding the fundamentals of interest rates and learning to anticipate the market's reactions based on central bank signals. Before we go further, let me emphasize the importance of preparation. Being ahead means staying informed. Monitor economic indicators and market expectations. Pre-announcement analysis is critical to grasp whether a central bank might surprise the market with a hawkish or dovish stance, affecting currency values accordingly. Now, here's a crucial point to consider: trading strategies. Depending on your risk appetite and trading style, you might opt for strategies like trend following, which is great for capitalizing on post-announcement market trends. Or perhaps you're more into the fast-paced world of news spike trading, where swift decisions are key, but remember, it's not for the faint-hearted. And let's not forget carry trades, which benefit from interest rate differentials between currencies. As you craft your strategies, remember to incorporate insights from other traders and make informed decisions. Our channel is dedicated to providing this kind of value, so if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more in-depth analyses and strategies. Before wrapping up, a quick reminder. Trading can be risky. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose, and always prioritize disciplined risk management. Position sizing, stop losses, and staying informed are your best allies in navigating the volatile waters of interest rate decisions. Thank you for joining us today. With the right preparation, strategy, and mindset, you can turn central bank interest rate announcements into calculated trading opportunities. Keep learning, stay curious, and happy trading, and